The Lego Group manufactures Lego products in factories all around the world. But whether the factory is large or small, in the United States or in South Korea, the production process is the same. Molding, decorating, assembling, and packing, and of course, quality control. We make Lego bricks, or elements as we sometimes call them, from plastic. The plastic comes from crude oil that has been treated in refineries and chemical plants. Like this one in Holland. Our suppliers make the plastic used for Lego products to precise specifications. Our plastic must be color-fast, durable, and non-toxic. We conduct random samples on the plastic granulate to guarantee its quality. This is done in our own laboratory. Technicians check the plastic for molding abilities, clutch power, and color fastness. Plastic granulate arrives at the Lego factories in half-ton cases. Workers place the granulate in large silos that are kept at a constant temperature and humidity level. This keeps the plastic in perfect condition for the molding machines. At the molding machines, we heat the granulate to 225 degrees Celsius, giving it the consistency of bread dough. Then it's injected into the mold, which compresses the plastic with between 25 and 250 tons of pressure, depending on the element being made. It takes 10 seconds to cool and eject each new element. For most elements, we use a plastic called ABS. This stands for acrylonitrile butadiene styrene. It's the same plastic used for car instruments and paneling. Lego molding halls run 7 days a week, 24 hours a day, at factories in Denmark, Switzerland, Brazil, South Korea, and the United States. We are always on the go. For every new Lego element designed, we manufacture a new mold, or tool as we call them. Right now, we use more than 1,300 different tools. The Lego Group's tool factories in Germany and Switzerland only make tools for Lego elements. We employ more than 250 tool makers to build new tools, rebuild old tools, and make sure all the tools used are in perfect working order. Quality is our key word. We're talking about precision right down to 5/1000ths of a millimeter. We make building plates and road plates in a slightly different way. We use the same raw materials, not in granular form, but in long rolls. The plastic is heated up, but to a lower temperature than for molding. And with a combination of pressure and vacuum, the plastic forms into road, crater, and building plates. Building plates and molded elements go through a strict quality control before packaging. But first, we decorate and assemble some of the molded products. We decorate the elements by printing on them. Different colors and patterns add extra realism and open up more imaginative possibilities. We decorate over 250 different elements. An 8-stud brick becomes a mount. A yellow block becomes a head. A red element transforms into a medieval horse blanket. Experienced technicians operate the decoration machines. We also maintain strict quality control through visual and random testing. In the assembly department, elements are put together semi-manually or automatically on custom-made machines. Rails, for example, are made like this. This is how we assemble a bike. And this is how we put automobile tires together. And this is how we assemble a figure for a Lego Technic set. No other company in the world uses the same equipment. We develop all our own decorating and assembly machinery because we have such specific demands for each machine. We are always trying to improve efficiency. Is this the best we can do? Can we make ourselves better? The next step in the production process is packaging. Many elements are pre-packed, either in plastic bags or trays. We use plastic bags to pack small elements in large quantities. The elements are dumped into a counting machine. Each bin drops a certain number of elements onto a tray that rolls along the production line. We decide the number of bins on a pre-pack line by how many different elements we want to pack in the bag. Each bag of elements is counted and weighed. We use plastic trays to pack unique elements. The pieces fit exactly into the special trays. In the final packaging area, the molded, decorated, assembled, and pre-packed elements meet to become what millions of children around the world recognize as a Lego set. The boxes, which we develop ourselves, are raised and folded as the final packing process begins. Workers place the bag, the tray, and a brochure in the box. The box then goes through another quality control using an electronic weighing device. On packing islands, along the packing lines, and at short packing tables, employees put the final touches on more than 300 different boxes. Here you can see most of the different Lego sets that are for sale in more than 115 countries around the world. Duplo, Lego Basic, Lego Town, Lego Space, Lego Castle, Lego Pirates, Lego Technic, and Model Team. They are all different, both in appearance and content. But in one important aspect, they are all the same. They are all produced by the Lego Group. It doesn't matter which Lego factory they come from, or where you buy them. They will always be the same. Bricks Unlimited.